Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to set upload defaults on a YouTube channel. First, go to youtube.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, find the settings option at the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on it. Now, click on the Upload Defaults tab. Here, you can set default settings for your video uploads. This saves time as you won't have to enter these details every time you upload a video. Start by adding a default title that describes your video content. Next, enter a default description for your videos. This can include a general description, link to your social media, or any other information you want to appear in every video description. Then select the default visibility for your videos. You can choose from public, private, or unlisted. After setting all the default values, click on Save to apply these changes. To upload a video, click on the Create button in the top right corner and select Upload Videos. Click on Select Files to choose the video you want to upload from your computer. As your video uploads, you will see that the default title and description you set earlier are already filled in. Review these details and make any necessary changes, then click on Next. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.